Winds in the east, mist coming in, like something is brewing, about to begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are beginning our descent into Los Angeles.
Introducing the creator of our beloved Mary.
Poppins, never just Mary.
Now, where is Mr. Disney?
Well, here you are.
It's an honor, Mr. Disney.
Oh, Walt. Now, you gotta call me Walt.
Now, let us begin.
Room here.
She has a lot of ideas.
What kind of ideas?
Responsible. Now, how
No.
does that sound?
No, responsible is not a word.
We made it up.
Well, unmake it up. The Banks's house doesn't look like that. It's all wrong.
It's all wrong?
Stop! I won't have her turned into one of your silly cartoons.
Says the woman who sent a flying nanny with a talking umbrella to save the children.
You think Mary Poppins has come to save the children? Oh, dear.
Mr. Travers, what am I missing here?
Mary Poppins and the Bankses. They're family to me.
Mary Poppins was a real person? So it's not the children she comes to save. It's their father. It's your father.
You don't know what she means to me.
I won't disappoint you. Don't you want to finish the story?